people that we can easily call on now. If I just, for example, if I call on a chief priest, or I call on, if I say Joey Zaza, these are like celebrity people that
Chief priest chief priest is a low key. Chief priest don't have money. We're talking of
No,
Igbos.
I'm just saying.
Okay,
I'm just saying people that they know, celebrity businessmen that they know.
Okay.
You understand? The ones that they know.
Yeah.
These are people that are. It will be easy for them to even galvanize for other Igbo people to go to start investing in the East.
Okay.
But they are not doing it. I want to understand why. Is it that even if it's also systematic that they are destroying Igbo properties, there is also campaign for these people not to say anything about it.
For which people not to say?
These are our celebrity businessmen that can easily speak up. Some some people can easily do campaign or meeting or anything within a year. Massive investment will flood to the East.
Yeah,
but it has not happened.
Yeah, but it will happen.
It will happen after somebody that can help them leave the office. There is somebody right now you can that just want to see how serious you are.
You see,
and they have started to find a way to remove him. They have started. We're talking about OT, right?
Mm.
They have started this Benjamin Carlo have come. They have started to do their mago and their lies that are going to start dishing out right now to make sure that after 4 years he cannot return. And just like we said, federal might. These people will have everything at their disposal. This time they are not going to put Nena Carlo, Nena Uti there. They are going to put somebody that they are sure this person will call results on their favor.
Yeah, the stage Igbos are now. I don't think if a development is coming to the southeast, I don't think any governor can stop it.
What is happening is they can just put
no, Igbos have not yet decided.
Yeah.
That is just the truth. And but we are getting closer. This discussion we're having now, we're not having it before.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, we are not having it before. But now Igbos have developed so much capacity. So much capacity, not only in Nigeria, outside Nigeria, all over the world. So much capacity that they can build a country of their own.
Yeah.
You know, a country of their without resources, without nothing. Igbos can build a country of their own. Based on the capacity they have all over the world, not only in Nigeria is small. Igbos are doing mightily outside Nigeria. Igbos are doing great. We have industrialists. We have scientists. There is nothing that we don't have. And these are people who have reached the pinnacle of their careers. Mm-hmm. They know what is happening. They know how to get things done. They are doing it elsewhere. So there is nobody that can stop Igbos at this stage. It's this politics that push us outside. And these politics have made us a better person. You know, these politics of divide and rule don't allow them to stand, and everybody have scattered all over the world. But right now, Igbos are realizing that there is nothing like home. You understand? Mm-hmm. There is not. All of us here, we are beginning to see it. You understand? That surely there is nothing like home. Yeah, and we are seeing it like that because we have got some, some comfort. We are seeing it like that because we can do something. Mm. We are seeing it like that because we know we can make things happen. So that's why I was saying initially that in life, everything, time and chance happening to them all.
Yeah.
Yeah. Forget the stories that Igbos are not united, they fight themselves. That is rubbish.
No,
that's also we are the minority. Those are rubbish. We Igbos know that we are not the minority. You understand? We also know that we are united. Among the Nigerian tribes, it's only the Igbos you see that have a union among the. I don't see it among
Other
every other
places.
tribe.
Yeah,
Yes,
you're
that
talking
wherever
about
we have a
Meeting,
meeting,
weekly
Igbo general
that
meeting,
meeting
Yes.
must to happen.
town meeting. This, yeah,
Umunna.
everywhere you have it in every country.
Interesting thing is, even if they are not discussing anything,
Yeah,
They'll
Hezuko,
just gather.
yes,
Nwoko,
yes.
Ako.
That is it. So that is that unity. All those propaganda is no longer
And
work.
that is also what caused problem in Ghana.
Yes, that is part of what is because they are united.
Yeah.
Yeah, forging ahead in one direction.
Mm.
So Igbos have it all, and sometimes is if that division did not come early, if we have found comfort in our homes, I don't think we get to where we are
Mm.
because we didn't find comfort. The federal government is against us. The policy is against us. Everything is against. That's why many
Our local government also,
yeah,
they are
is
against
against
us.
us. So that's why everybody
Flee.
got scattered all over the world.
Yeah.
Mm.
And that have also contributed to their greatness. They see what others have not seen. They have played in an environment where others have not played.
Mm. Mm.
They know the Nigerian environment and they know the foreign environment.
Mm.
There are many people in Nigeria that have not left their state since they were born.
Mhm.
Yes.
And some are even 60, 40. They've not left their state to another state. But average Igbo man have been to 5 or 6 states minimum. You understand?
True.
Yeah. So
And Cotonou.
yeah. Average Igbo man have been to with minimum 5, and this does not happen to other tribes. So that makes them, more civilized, more knowledgeable. Because when you travel, you see
Yeah.
things different.
Landlord, travel and see.
Yeah, travel and see. You learn several things. So we are not at a disadvantage. You understand? We are not. For me, what is happening is nothing. You
But
understand?
people are losing their livelihood.
They are losing.
Every day there is one story. 1 month there is one story.
Exactly.
It
It's
has
not.
to do with Igbo people, Igbo property.
Still, it cannot stop them. You remember when they were in those days? They used to burn a main market in Onitsha.
Mm.
That I don't know what cause. What used to cause it. A whole market will be burnt down. People will lose billions. Even some will die. But within 6 months, the market will come back full again, functioning. The places have been rebuilt. Goods is filled up. You understand? So this is a small thing. That's why that is what I was telling you, that what makes a man is in the inside, is not in the outside. It's just a temporary pain.
Mm.
It's a temporary pain. They will rise above it.
Okay.
The business that brought the money,
It's still there.
90% of that business is still there. Mark you, these people did not take money from government, unlike other people.
Yeah.
They are building house, the money is from government.
Mhm.
They are buying car, the money is from government. If they take government from them, they are gone. You understand? The Igbo man is not like that. Igbo man have built a business. If he's buying a car, the car is just a product of the business. The business is there. If you take the car, no problem. The business will also bring the car. But unlike others who are not doing business, stealing government money, once they take government from there, that is all. He cannot buy the car again. Cannot build the house again.
Okay.
Yeah, but for the Igbo man, he will build the house again.
Okay. Let me ask let's say a young Igbo man. If you want to open a business back home now and you want profit, where will you open that business?
I will start from Umuahia now. I'm from
Are
Abia
you
State.
sure? Because
Yes.
that-
But this is the thing, yeah. This is my first response is sentimental, yeah, because I'm from
Yes.
Abia and I want to start it in Umuahia. However, even if I don't start it in Umuahia, there is Aba. Aba is a very big market in Nigeria, right? But strategically, if the kind of business I want to do, if I see that it will serve, let's say, Nigeria as a whole, Onitsha is a very good place because Onitsha is a border between
I got.
yeah. So Onitsha is a very good place. So it's like 6 hours to Lagos and a few hours to northern part of Nigeria through Enugu and the rest of them. So yeah, apart from Umuahia, Aba, Onitsha is a very good place to start business.
So you're saying that you're not going to want a big profit because it's almost guaranteed that you are going to make the profit you make in Aba or Nature. maybe for 3 months. In Lagos, you will make it for 5 months. So you will not want big profit because everybody is there. Everybody is there. You will not want a big profit.
See, the way we do our business, Igbo people, yeah, we don't do business based on what we are going to get in the next 2 days or 3 days.
Are you sure?
That's not how we do business.
Okay.
We do business because our life depends on it. How can we start the business now? And what will happen in the next 4 or 5 years? So you can say an Igbo man, not really making profit in the first 1 year, but he's strategizing, doing things, making moves, looking for partnership, looking for where to, put his steps to see how he can, develop and, bring more things, more ideas to make his business go further. Yeah. So I wouldn't say I wouldn't be looking for small profits. I don't know what that means as an Igbo man. It's nothing like small profits. My own, I put this thing for shelf or counter. I want sell them. You they buy or you know they buy. If you come price them first time, you price them 200 and 300 I want seller. You don't price them 200. Next person come, I'll reduce them 250. At the end of the day, I go find out, I go take sell and sharp. Put another one there. Volume, margins, right? So I'm not looking at small profits. I'm looking at having it all, being the head in that line of business, right? So whether I open the business in Umuahia, Aba, Onitsha, wherever it is, I will still target the world. I don't see any Igbo business right now that is not targeting the world. We are not just targeting Nigeria, we are targeting the world. That's why we can easily phone China. How far? Do you have this design? You don't have it. Make it for me. Put this name there. Bring it in. Do you understand? If we are targeting just a small place, small profit, now we won't be doing international now. A lot of Nigerian businesses, a lot of Nigerian Igbo men are selling products in the UK. Even we are in Dubai. We see what we do here. We see what the Igbo guys are doing here. You want to talk of industrial area 3 in Sharjah, all the industrial areas. You see how they are moving things, so our business is not a small profit business. So I wouldn't say because we want to open it in Umuahia, Aba, or Onitsha, then you now limit yourself to small profit. No.
Okay, I want, somebody, I was watching one program, somebody said that all these big banks that we have in Nigeria now, UBA, Access Bank, Stanbic IBTC, they started when Central Bank wanted to restructure Nigerian banks and everything, and most of them came, and they started with as low as 5 million naira or something like that, because there was a small opportunity for things to reshuffle in Nigeria. Right now, I know what I'm thinking, but I don't want to mention. Right now, in the whole of Nigeria, where do you see a policy that can support business in Nigeria, or somebody that is willing to support business in Nigeria?
Okay, we are talking about the East. We are talking about the Igbos, or
yes,
in general.
We're talking about the Igbos. Yes.
Okay, because we are Igbos.
Yes.
Yeah, for me, I have among the governors, I don't really see. Only Alex Oti, we can confidently and publicly say that he's trying. Soludo is that one is a mess. Another governors. Okay, but then Oti is trying very well. But for me, the Igbos,
Mba.
yeah, I think he's second to that guy should be second to Oti. Yeah, from what we are hearing. Okay, yeah, they are trying on their own. But for me, Igbo is a nation, and they have grown beyond any governor. It's just the fact that they have not decided. Because one Igbo might have capacity to build Enugu and build the whole Enugu.
Build the entire Igbo land.
Build the entire state. If you decide. You understand? And nothing can stop it.
And when are they going to decide? What will make them to decide?
Yeah,
what will make us to decide?
Yes. It's getting, you see, business have a way of making somebody to be greedy, or making somebody to acquire more and more, which they are doing. Most of them, their businesses is not in Igbo land, in other places. And it's still bringing a return. Okay, now we are seeing sign now why we should come back home. And many of them have started doing that. I was listening to this guy, Obi Jackson. I learned that guy is doing a lot of development in the East. Obi Jackson. You know, there are.
What does he do?
Obi Jackson is a businessman. He's an oil magnate.
Okay.
They have several businesses. So I think what is happening now is not only even in Lagos.
Mm.
If you go like what is happening in Ghana, you understand,
Mm.
and even some part of the world that something will happen to an Igbo person, the government does not care.
Mm.
But if it's from another tribe, they will care.
Mm.
So these are signs now. The Igbos are saying that we have to build our we have to build home. So I'm believing this is the time, and it's not the governors that we. I don't see them. Yeah, they will do their own. But when the Igbos decide, yeah, it's like during December if they are coming home, no governor stops them.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? None. So whether you like it or not, they come in mass. They come with their words. They celebrate. They go back. So the only thing we have to encourage the Igbos now is everybody should start looking back home.
Yeah.
There's no governor that can stop it.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying, but let me give you an example with Ibeto. Ibeto Cement. What's key Ibeto Cement?
Yeah, that is federal government.
So an Ibeto Cement was like, unless you're going to do business that is not going to be a mega business or multinational business. If you decide to go to Aba, Enugu, Imo State, Ebonyi, or Anambra, and you want to open a multinational business there, do you think it's going to work regularly when you don't have somebody like OT that is going to speak for you, at least?
Okay, I get where you are coming from now. I get it. Okay. Yeah, that is true. The state have a way of putting a policy to stop your business. They have that power. And also the federal government, which they have been doing before, that made Igbos to expand so much.
Go in Lagos.
Yes.
Focus in Lagos.
Not only Lagos.
Even in the southeast.
Not only Lagos. If you go other countries, it's part of these policies that makes several Igbos to move out.
Yeah, no, what I'm
Some are not even in Nigeria again. They have become very big where they are. Very, very big. In many countries, we are not talking of one country.
I know.
In so many countries,
I know.
You see some of the top businesses. You'll be surprised when you go behind to dig inside, you find out that this person is an Igbo man.
Sure.
You'll be shocked. Leading industries, leading businesses in many countries. If you dig deep, you find out that there is an Igbo man behind it.